guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna make this intro really short because I want the bulk of this video to be my makeup collection, but I'm gonna do a makeup collection video spring 2018 because it's probably gonna change towards the end of the year. Honestly, I'll get more makeup, I'll get more storage, because I honestly need more storage now. But I just want to do like a quick disclaimer. I'm not bragging. All of my makeup was either a gift from friends and family from Christmases or birthdays, and other than that, I bought all this stuff with my own hard-earned money. So let's get on into my makeup collection video. Hey guys, so this is my makeup setup. I just have two Alex drawers from IKEA, a slab, I don't know how long it is, but it's from IKEA, and then the mirror is from Impressions Vanity. I will link everything down below that I can find. And this is just where I do my makeup every single day, and I also film videos here too. So on my left hand side in the first drawer is all of my face powder. So I have highlighters, I have Too Faced, Kylie, Becca, Fenty, ColourPop, Jeffree, Dose of Colors, Wet n Wild, Cover FX, Benefit, and then I have my bronzers, Estee Lauder, Physicians Formula, and Benefit. I have blushes, I have NARS, Too Faced, Tarte, Lancome, Essence, Wet n Wild, and then here I have more of like my palette. So I have my Solstice highlighting palette. I have just some finishing powders from e.l.f. and from Rimmel. And then I have my brow products, which my most used are my Benefit, of course, but I also have e.l.f. and Anastasia. And back behind here, I have some of my face powders. So I have my Too Faced, I have Laura Mercier, I have some extra brow powder, brow products back there as well. In the second drawer down, I have like my face palettes. I have like my Kat Von D Shade and Light. Down here I have my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette, my Kylie Cocoa Collection. I have two of the Huda Beauty 3D highlighting. I have the winter one and the Golden Sands. I have an e.l.f. blush palette. I have, this one's really gorgeous. It's the ColourPop Give Me More highlighting palette. It's their first one. It's really gorgeous and definitely really inexpensive too. This one's new to my collection. It's the Tarte Hamptons Weekender. It is also so cute. I love this little palette. It's really good for travel too. I have, of course, my favorite, the Jeffree Star 24 Karat Skin Frost Pro palette. I love this palette so much. It is so stunning. I have the Becca Jaclyn Hill Champagne Face palette. This one was my first ever highlighters I ever got 2 years ago. Love this to death. And I also have my little Violet Voss Pro highlighting powders back there too. This drawer is the most chaotic, I would have to say. It's one of the two drawers I have that are the most messy. I just have sponges, beauty blenders, Real Techniques. I don't remember what brand this is. I have some brush cleaner, a Tide to Go stick, a fan. All of these are my mascaras. This is one of my favorite mascaras. It's the Marc Jacobs. And I also really love the Benefit They're Real. These are the two that I use every single day. And I have some eyeliners. I have one of the Stila Magnificent Metals. I really like these. I need to get more of them. Back there, I have just some like perfumes and stuff. I have like a makeup bag back there. And these are all of my earrings, and these are all of my like bracelets and necklaces. The fourth drawer down is by far my favorite, and it's the heaviest. Like, if you can hear it, it's struggling. It's struggling. This is my palette drawer. I have like 36 palettes. I am obsessed with palettes. I have Kylie, Urban Decay, Anastasia, Laura Lee Los Angeles, Huda Beauty, ColourPop, Dose of Colors, Jeffree Star, Violet Voss, Tarte, e.l.f., more Huda, Urban Decay. I have Morphe. I have Makeup Revolution, Natasha Denona, more Tarte back there, and I have some like drugstore palettes as well. I think those are Maybelline. But yeah, I love this drawer. Oh god, this is literally my favorite drawer, and it's definitely the most cramped drawer. As you can tell, I have a bunch of palettes. And the last drawer on this side is kind of boring. I just have all of my single shadows. They're all ColourPop except for like 3 of them. I have just like 1 Kylie and a couple Sephora collection. But I have like maybe 65 of these ColourPop ones in here. There's like 3 layers down. It's just in this ColourPop box. I have a tape measure. I have a hand soap. I get extra hand soap for my bathroom in here. Towels. And like just a random makeup bag. But this drawer is pretty boring. On the right hand side, on the top, this is my complexion drawer. So I have all of my foundations. CoverGirl, Anastasia, Urban Decay, Elf, NARS, Armani, Dior, Fenty. And then I have like all of my kind of primers over here. So I have ColourPop, Too Faced, Fenty. I have Urban Decay Primer Potion and just like a moisturizer from Glam Glow. And then I have just this Elf corrective concealer palette. I never really ever use that. I have my concealers over here and 1 contour stick. I have Urban Decay, Dior, ColourPop, NARS, Tarts, what is this, NYX, and another NARS one. And then I have some of my sprays up here. So I have my Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, Urban Decay Quick Fix, Smashbox Primer Water, ColourPop. I have just a powder puff from Laura Mercier, and my NYX Honey Dew Me Up. And I have like just some extra, like an extra ColourPop in the back. I love this stuff. It's so good. Second drawer is just lashes and contacts. Nothing too insane. I just have Isla, Ardell, and House of Lashes. Those are just the ones I have. I definitely need to get more lashes. Third drawer down is all of my lipsticks that I don't gravitate towards on an everyday basis. So they're just the ones that don't fit up on my desk and are just randomly thrown in here. I have NARS, Kylie, Too Faced, Kat Von D, Lime Crime, Jeffree, NYX, MAC, Makeup Monsters, ColourPop, I didn't already say that. Just some like ones that I don't normally gravitate towards go in this drawer. And then I have all of my lip liners, which are all Kylie, except I have 1 Makeup Revolution and 1 ColourPop. Fourth drawer down is on my skincare, so I have makeup removing stuff. Those simple micellar cleansing wipes are the best. I also have moisturizers, exfoliating pads, I have my vitamins, I have samples, Q-tips, more moisturizers, and just like acne stuff, masks, just all of that kind of skincare stuff is down here. And then the last drawer is just more makeup bags, candles, my Nikon that I use to do like my eye pictures on my Instagram. I have just receipts, just again, the last drawers on both sides are just very boring. Moving on to on top of my desk, I have this small mirror that I got from Target that I just use when I really need to see what I'm doing. And then I have this acrylic container. I believe it's from Bed Bath & Beyond. But up here I just have my Mario Badescu face sprays. I love the green tea and the lavender one. I also have the rose one, but it's just not my favorite. I also have a Code Elite Grape Water Mist. That stuff is amazing. And I have some of my lipsticks. So I have a YSL, just some lip balms, and I have 8 Sephora Collection Lippies. These are actually so nice, and they're only $8. And I have some hand sanitizer back there because I always like to keep my hands clean. Over here I have a wine glass. I don't know where it came from. I just got it from downstairs, but it has some of my more gravitate towards lipsticks. So I have Fenty, ColourPop, Too Faced, and Huda in there. And then in these are some of my other lipsticks that I gravitate towards the most. I have all of my Kylie Lip Glosses. I love her lip glosses, and they all just go in here. And I have 1 cream lipstick in here too. In the second one, I have my Anastasia, Jouer, and then a NYX one that I really like. I love this lip toppers from Jouer. They're so glittery and just amazing. And then I have all of my Jeffree down here. Right here, my Fenty Gloss Bomb kind of has its own little home out here because I use it like almost every single day. I have a little bitty candle from Bath & Body Works. I have some Carsons that I need to put in my car, but I've just been chilling here. I have my brushes, and I keep them in mason jars that are like the big ones are on the outsides and then the small ones on the insides. But in here I have just more of my bigger face brushes. All of my eye brushes are in this one. Just some random other brushes are in this one, and then kind of my smaller face brushes are right there. I also have my beauty sponge. This is the Morphe Contour and Highlight Beauty Sponge. I love it. I have my Sephora Vera Mona color switch. I have a perfume back there. Back there is my KKW fragrance box that came with my fragrance. And then in this acrylic, this is from By Allegory. I got it on Amazon, and it has all of my Kylie liquid lipsticks in here in just one velvet. I love this. It literally has like all of my Kylie, and it just displays it so nicely. And last but not least, I have my Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I love this stuff. I use it every single day. It just takes off your makeup so nicely. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you found that helpful, or just like watching them. I love watching beauty like makeup collection videos. I think that they're so cool to watch. Sorry if you can see the lights in my eyes, but make sure to like and subscribe. Click the bell to be notified when I upload next, and follow me on Instagram too if you haven't already. I post a lot of really cool, artistic, different out there looks, and I do some mini tutorials on there as well. So go follow me on Instagram, like some of my posts, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay classy and have a great day. Bye!